Hello friends, myself Divyanshu Sharma and I am a second year law student at MIT Law University, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. And in present I am working with as a legal intern in with Lexis and Company. And my today's topic is custom as a source of law. Custom as a source of law. And now I am going to introduce my topic. Have you ever thought that without a statutory law, various questions can arise? Such as whether it will lead to anarchy or how it will govern and regulate special classes and sects. In ancient times, when the law did not exist, people were governed by the communities. These customs are valued by the community and implemented in each community of that particular sect. Customs are a very real and binding legal sources, and because they have any historical background or historical, and we can say that. Historical value for them. And so the habit is an important source of law, and it's attractive to represent equivalent habits are characterized by the different legal advisors according to their ideas, equation and theories, visions and beliefs. According to Salman, customs are examples of standards that have been complemented by the quiet and small voice of the state as a standard of fairness and open utility. According to Austin, habits are suddenly followed by the sovereign direct standard, not the compatibility of laws formulated by political superior. According to Halsberg law, a habit is a specific principle that has actually existed or assumed to exist since ancient time and has obtained legal power in a specific territory. And regardless of whether it complies with general use of custom as source of law, only attach the qualification clause and do not use it is binding. Some of the difference between customary use and customary use are as follows. A customs or customary use that does not have absolute authority can obviously be distinguished from a legal custom and a legal effect. Custom cannot prove that a certain fact is out of reach and there is no agreement and it must be binding. If the custom is a local custom, it is limited to the specific area, so it is not necessary to maintain it for use in a specific area because it is followed locality. In case the legal habit cannot be understood in the feeling of use, this sentiment is also established in antiquity, but the required authority or characteristics have not been yet obtained, and user cannot guarantee such use for correct inheritance, individual and officials of the other party. A great number of customs have been exist in ancient time. Late use may have an impact on the courts. Also, because the parties have already entered into a contract between parliaments. If under certain circumstances, customary law cannot be prohibited by express understanding. In addition, it cannot be used. Refused, nevertheless, custom can replace law based on precedent by satisfying the basic condition. The custom serves as a source of tariff for the entire network or the region in which it operates. Utilization simply adds a term to its usage. Commercial use does not require establishment of relics, constituency, and reputation due to custom. All of these are necessary. The custom arises from its own power, although the use does not arise from the own power, but from an agreement between the assemblies. In the final analysis, a legal custom has its own free understanding, not a sympathetic animals, and then a custom or usage does not exist or arises from whatever legal expert it presents. Customs are mainly divided into following types: custom without penalty, custom with penalties. In addition, these customs related to the penalties can be classified into legal custom, regular custom. Legal custom are further classified as a general custom or all custom, a special custom or all local custom, no sanctioned customs. These customs are not only not catalogs, they have seen fully due proximity of public beliefs are contrary to the view expressed by Austin in his positivist theory. Now I think that we should end here because we have already covered the many things about the custom, and hope you liked my video. And if you have any query related to the custom, please ask me in the comment section. I will reply it, and I will make figure out your problem. and please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon after the subscription. Please don't forget it, and thank you and have a very nice day.